Alrighty, good morning, folks. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. Welcome to the new year, January 4th, 2022. My name is Bojan Petreski. We'll be doing the 3D market commentary today. The disclaimer is there for your use and your protection. Of course, this is for educational and instructional purposes only. Let's go ahead and get started with our 3D market commentary. So this is what the commentary would look like in your inbox. We do call it a 3D market commentary because of the three-dimensional approach we take. We look at the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. Market climate, we're looking for the upcoming direction of the market. We're looking at what it's currently at, what its expectations are, right? Buy and sell UFOs, unfilled orders, unmistakably named so, these flying saucers here. Because they give us the potential turning points, entries, and exits. And then, of course, market volatility, the upcoming price change speed, risk to reward adjustments, if any, need to be made. So we combine these three elements to give us a objective view of the market when we're trading, investing, or hedging. First instrument that we're going to analyze is the S&P 500, which is currently making all-time highs yet again. It is currently an up climate. It is confirmed the ninth day out of typically nine. So today would be the extension. Given that we just started the year, we had a pretty bearish start to the year yesterday, I would say, but ultimately ended up pushing high and closing higher. And now here we are again above 4,800, making new all-time highs. According to the VIX, we're looking at 16% volatility, which is low volatility, 50 points or thereabouts expected move for the day. The S&P was kind of stuck in this range here for a little bit of time, since November. So the quote unquote Santa rally kind of did push it up again, and we had closed above that range. Then we were trading in that range for a little bit, and now it looks like we might be breaking out of it if we get a close above it today. Now, if you're looking to educate yourself, if you're looking to expand on your knowledge, or maybe gain new knowledge for the new year, we do offer futures, forex, backtesting, trading plans, trading psychology courses. You can use this link here to browse and register for a course. And then, of course, it comes with a 3-month complimentary access to AutoUFOs and AutoClimate, which, that in itself is definitely worth the money, because you'll be able to, as you learn, you'll be able to use the technology we use and see its power. All right. The next one is crude oil. It is not a confirmed climate. Recently, we had a couple of thin blue dots here, that means they're unconfirmed up climates. However, unconfirmed in my book is just unconfirmed. I don't typically trade it. So we have a nearby UFO of 73.95 to 72.27. And then, of course, two up above from 77.98 to 79.23. And then 79.30 to 82.33. So quite a few UFOs there. Of course, this steep drop that we saw in late this November has also left some unfilled orders lying right there, as you can see, according to our UFO. Based on the OVX, we're looking at 37.57%, so elevated volatility, $1.82 expected move for the day. All right, now if you need the AutoUFOs app itself, or perhaps the AutoClimate, we do have that available for TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader. You can subscribe to any app using this link here, and then of course we offer monthly or yearly membership with any one of these apps. Looking at gold next. So gold is currently in a down climate. It is confirmed as of today. Typically it goes down for 6 days. We are in between these two UFOs, 1844.2 to 1873.3, and then 1781.3 to 1753 even, right there. As you see, gold had a steep drop yesterday, It went down for about, what was it, percent? Yeah, 1.5%. Uh, Not much has changed since the open today. It's been open for a few minutes now. Looks like it's just moving along in between that range of today's candle. GVZ is looking at 50.34% volatility, $17 the daily expected move. Now, if you need coaching or support, apart from offering daily live trading sessions, which are compatible with most or all time zones, you can sign up for all asset advanced coaching using this link here, where you can get one-on-one sessions with any one of the instructors that are on our team. And of course, that may help you avoid some bad habits that you may not know you have. So definitely check it out and let me know what you think. All right, and now the dollar. All right, so the dollar, interestingly enough, is just perfectly balancing between these couple of UFOs here. Um, it touched on this UFO here before. It bounced up, went all the way up there, came back down, another pull down, and then, of course, created this UFO. Touched it once, pulled back down to the other UFO right here, went from there all the way to up here. All right, so it's like it's very range bound the past few weeks. 95, 595, 94, 965. The buy UFO 96, 330 to 96, 670. The sell UFO. Of course, before that, before creating this UFO here, right, it also touched this upper UFO up there twice, and it pulled back from it. So almost moving perfectly in sync with the auto UFOs. Based on EVZ, we're looking at 5.79%, 0.35 for the day. All right, now if you don't want to read this overview, this content is broadcast daily. My colleague Becky and I go through these every day. You can also watch it. You can see them all on our YouTube channel. You can you open this link here to take a look at the channel. I would appreciate if you can like and subscribe to the channel, so that way you can help us spread the word out there. All right. Last but not least is Bitcoin. All right. So Bitcoin currently still in a down climate. It is confirmed this is the fifth day out of to be determined because we don't have enough data. The sell UFO up above at 56.65 to 52.165. Buy UFO well down below at 32.820 to 31.615. Bitcoin looking, pretty good today, up 2%. Had a pretty bearish day again yesterday. Has been in this range really for quite some time now. Um, we're going to see how this is going to play out. If it's going to further break down to the downside and maybe find some potential buyers elsewhere, or if this is the beginning of a rally up, for example, and maybe something like that. We'll see what's going to happen. The same could be said towards the downside, right? Same thing. 40,000 is a round number that might make this come up, so it could break either way. Right now, in a confirmed down climate. All right, now if you want to be a top trader, top stands for Tradictive Options Planner. You can learn more and subscribe using this link here. Top is our very own platform that we utilize. It can be used to trade multiple assets, and it is broker agnostic, meaning you can plug in your own broker. All right. For this week, in Europe, we have retail sales. In the US, we have ISM manufacturing, FOMC meeting minutes, and ADP employment change for December. Holiday across Europe, and looks like Colombia. And then Europe, we have harmonized index of consumer prices, ISM services. And then, of course, on the 6th is also my Christmas. CPI core in Europe, CPI um, Europe again, retail sales, non-farm payrolls. This will be an important one to see how December fared. Net change employment and unemployment for the CAD, and then coming of age day and CPI in China. All right, folks, that's that for today, and I will catch you later for the future session. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.